Even the government of Form 47, they have to follow his rules.
Everybody has to, because it's a minority government. They're sitting there with a stolen mandate. They will do exactly what he tells them. Not his voice, you're not allowed anything.
Now, channels were not allowed.
He's a channel. He cannot take his name on his media. He cannot take the name on media. No pictures.
No videos.
Nothing.
What about wearing a cloth with his face on? Is that technically against the law?
No, it's not. But why? It's our right to wear anything. He's our leader. We have all the right to wear anything, to say anything.
Sometimes stop people on the road and they do sort of check. But it's, what I'm saying is that people have gone past that cycle of fear. I mean, they suffer so much. Once you've gone through that much, now there's defiance. From defiance comes anger. So it's a cycle which is taking its natural course.
No, of course. Yeah, no.
It's been like 3 months.